Welcome back to our latest Forge video, and today we're talking about the fabulous Volkswagen T5 and T6, and more importantly, how do you make it stop? Now luckily Forge have thought of this for you, so no matter what you do with yours, if you're working with it, if you're a builder, if you've done a camper conversion, or it's just your way of getting the family to school, Forge can make you stop better. So there's two kits available. There's a 380mm 6-pot kit, and if you've got really big wheels, 19s with lots of clearance, they do a 405mm 8-pot kit. And I guarantee that will stop you. The calipers themselves are absolutely gorgeous. They're drop forged. This is the 6-pot. You can see beautifully finished, halved caliper, can cope with all sorts of forces, all sorts of speeds. So even if you've tuned yours up, you've got a remap, these are going to stop you. Now you're probably thinking, well, that looks very nice. That one's just come out of the box. How will it cope with the British winter? Forge's own van have had these on for 20,000 miles. That gives you some idea of what you're going to get. They come with high performance pads. They come with high performance braided lines. And they fit in about an hour and a half, 2 hours with a bit of bleeding through, and they go straight onto the OEM mount. So no matter what you use your T6 for, like I say, for work, for family, for leisure, make it safer. And let's be honest, fit them because they look cool. Check them out on the website, links below.